Let's draw a three-dimensional staircase together. I draw a 12 centimeters line at an angle of approximately 30 degrees. And I complete the opposite side with an angle of 12 centimeters and 30 degrees again. I need to move the points here down by measuring 6 centimeters. And I connect the points I marked. Now I need to divide this line into 12 equal parts. I make markings at 1 centimeter intervals. And I will divide the other side into 12 parts in the same way. I apply the same process for the bottom side. I connect the points I marked. Now I mark these steps again by measuring 1 centimeter each. I need to mark them all one by one as 1 centimeter. Now I need to connect the points like this. I connect them all for the whole shape. Now I'm clarifying all of this with a ballpoint pen. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I need to complete the line. Let's clean the pencil marks with an eraser. Now it's time for the shading process. I'm painting this area with a darker shade of gray. I'm removing the pencil marks in the area I've painted with a napkin or cotton. I'm cleaning the excess with an eraser. Now I'm painting the risers of the steps with a lighter shade of gray. I'm making a light shadow on the back of the staircase. Again with the help of a napkin. The drawing is almost complete. I'm marking the paper in the exact middle of the picture and folding it in half. There's one last step left. I'm cutting the staircase in the form of a template from the place I marked with a ruler. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.